Hello, welcome once again. I want to show you how I make fufu. This is how fufu is made in Eastern Nigeria. This is actually raw, wet fufu flour gotten from fermenting cassava tubers for 3 to 4 days. You can actually buy this from most local markets in Eastern Nigeria and several other parts of the country. You can also make your own fufu flour by fermenting cassava tubers in water for 3 to 4 days. So go ahead and mix with water till you can mold into round shapes. And then add to the boiling water and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. So we're going to be doing this in 2 stages. This is the first one. We boil, we pound, then again, we boil again, and we pound for the last time. So you can actually use a yam pounder for this, but I just wanted to do this the way it's done in the village. So go ahead and pound like there is no tomorrow. You don't want seeds in your fufu. Actually said you can use an electric pounder for this, alternatively in case you don't want to do it the local way. Once that is done, we return back to the boiling water. We're going to cook this for another 10 minutes and then we'll test one to be sure it's properly done. Add the rest and return to pounding like there is no tomorrow. So guys, that's how to make fufu the local Nigerian way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.